Hello everyone, we are going to talk about equipment equip remote control with mobile monitor. This is the fab equipment, and we got the local control. Here is the normal equipment. And we contact, we communicate with CRM system to get the parameter, and also we get the information to connect to Office PC to let the equipment engineer can check out and see the real status of the equipment at fab, and also connect to use Wi-Fi and let equipment engineer use the service pad to know about everything, the situation of equipment at fab everywhere. And the mobile pad monitor or the Office PC monitor as this. Here is the monitor as monitor of the equipment. This monitor inner information just the same as local control panel to let equipment engineer to see the real-time information of the equipment. And there is some simple basic command key to let equipment engineer use it in some condition. The command of local, just as command of local control. The mobile monitor pad or the remote Office PC. The function is contact with equipment engineer and show the condition immediately, report to the equipment engineer and let equipment engineer know about the condition and prepare the suitable tool needed before the engineer go inside to the fab, and let equipment engineer operate necessary key command immediately. For example, stop, load another product wafer in to the equipment to save the product wafer in time. The mobile pad and Office PC setting. The number one, set at basic operate level. We know the operate level is not for the engineering, just for the operator. So the basic operator level command is almost the basic function of the equipment, and set at basic operator level without any further command to avoid another incident. You will set the level to the engineering. It could be lead equipment engineer, junior level equipment engineer, to give the wrong command to let the product, even the equipment, get damaged, then cause another incident. Number 2, the remote monitor main purpose just for contact with equipment engineer immediately and show the condition of equipment at fab immediately to help the equipment engineer to do and prepare suitable tool and manual before going to the fab. And number 3, equipment engineer use the stop load to stop another product into the equipment and stop processing, to stop another wafer going to the process chamber, and stop robot to avoid robot which out of order to damage the wafer in time. Use it to let equipment engineer to operate to stop action before wafer or equipment get damaged. Use it in time to save product and equipment. Of course, the senior engineer can see the condition and give the order. The junior engineer just suggest him to see the condition and get the message only. And item 4, mobile pad helps servicing and PM drops. This is another function. It's convenient to let several engineers execute servicing and PM job with mobile pad during the working time. Okay, let's see you next time.